Do you love me?
Do you love me?
¿Me quieres?
No, I don't love you.
No, I don't love you.
No, no te quiero.
Do you smoke?
Do you smoke?
¿Fumas?
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
¿A qué te dedicas?
What do you do on Saturdays?
What do you do on Saturdays?
¿Qué haces los sábados?
I do the dishes.
I do the dishes.
Lavo los platos.
I do the laundry.
I do the laundry.
Yo lavo la ropa.
I will do it later.
I will do it later.
Lo haré más tarde.
Do what you want.
Do what you want.
Haz lo que quieras.
Do it right now.
Do it right now.
Hazlo ahora mismo.
Tell me what to do.
Tell me what to do.
Dime qué hacer.
What do you want?
What do you want?
¿Qué quieres?
I have a lot of work to do.
I have a lot of work to do.
Tengo mucho trabajo por hacer.
She always does her best.
She always does her best.
Ella siempre hace lo mejor que puede.
Did you do your laundry?
Did you do your laundry?
¿Lavaste tu ropa?
I do my homework every day.
I do my homework every day.
Hago mi tarea todos los días.
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
¿Qué hiciste ayer?
We need to do shopping.
We need to do shopping.
Tenemos que hacer compras.
They are doing a great job.
They are doing a great job.
Ellos están haciendo un excelente trabajo.
Let's do some exercise.
Let's do some exercise.
Hagamos un poco de ejercicio.
Can you do me a favor?
Can you do me a favor?
¿Me puedes hacer un favor?
She doesn't like to do the dishes.
She doesn't like to do the dishes.
A ella no le gusta lavar los platos.
The teacher asked us to do the exercise.
The teacher asked us to do the exercise.
El profesor nos pidió hacer el ejercicio.
I'll do the cooking tonight.
I'll do the cooking tonight.
Yo me encargaré de cocinar esta noche.
She wants to do yoga in the morning.
She wants to do yoga in the morning.
Ella quiere hacer yoga por la mañana.
I'm not sure what to do next.
I'm not sure what to do next.
No estoy seguro de qué hacer a continuación.
I do my makeup every morning.
I do my makeup every morning.
Me maquillo cada mañana.
I am doing my hair.
I am doing my hair.
Me estoy arreglando el pelo.
It's time to do my nails.
It's time to do my nails.
Es hora de hacerme las uñas.